हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू इक्वेटर एकेडमी देहरादून। और फिर से आया हूँ मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर जो आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं। तो पहला अगर हम देखें 8 नवंबर का न्यूज़ है ये 2023 का कि हु ऑर्गेनाइज्ड व्हाट इंडस एक्स इन्वेस्टर। ठीक है, ये किसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? मीट एट न्यू दिल्ली that was organized by Innovation for Defense Excellency IDEX and US Department of Defense। दोनों ने मिलके आपका ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। फिर उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, फर्स्ट फॉरेन कंपनी टू गेट 100% FDI in India's defense project, because earlier 100% FDI is not permitted in defense sector, but now this becomes the first country, you can say the first foreign country which allowed to invest 100% money in the defense sector, and that is SAAB, that stands for Swedish Aeroplane Corporation. So this will a very important question and it will come in your examination. Now this company belongs to, if possible they ask this question, this company belongs to what? Sweden. Now next question, first life insurance company to receive GIFT. GIFT stands for Gujarat International Finance Tech City registration, that is India First Life Insurance. So from here you will getting what? Two different, or you can say more than two different points. They will ask this question, different type of MCQ questions. Now next, which fruit found in Ladakh, now as all you know that Ladakh becomes a UT, has been provided GI tag, that is sea buckthorn. Now maybe possible ki UPSC will ask this question separately, sea buckthorn is found in which state of India? You're going to take it is found in Ladakh. Now next, go to the next question. The Sampoon Index was launched by November 23 by whom? That is launched by SIDBI. Got it? That's launched by SIDBI. Now here they will ask this question, what is the meaning of SIDBI? So SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. It is a regulatory body for overall licensing and regulation of micro, small and medium enterprises finance company in India. And SIDBI comes under the what? You can going to, if they will ask this question, SIDBI comes under which ministry or under the jurisdiction of what ministry, then you will going to take Ministry of Finance, Government of India. And where is headquarter of SIDBI? You're going to take, it is at Lucknow. Now they will ask the another question, in which year SIDBI has been what you can say established. So SIDBI has been established on 2nd April 1990. Okay, got it? Next question की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Now next is what? Saffron of which district of Jammu and Kashmir has granted GI tag? So you're going to take Kishtwar district. Very possible they will ask this question, in Jammu and Kashmir which district has the highest amount of or largest amount of production of what? Saffron. You're going to take Kishtwar. Now go to the next question, which Asian country has allowed visa free entry for Indian, or you can say Indian tourists? That is Malaysia. Got it? Now next question, who released Basic Animal Husbandry Statistics 2023, which is based on milk production, egg production, meat production, wool production? So you're going to take what? Union Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry, Dairy and Purushottam Rupala. Now according to this index, or you can say according to this list, three top milk producing state. The first one is, as you see, Uttar Pradesh. Around 15.72% of milk has been what? Produced from the Uttar Pradesh. Now second one is Rajasthan, around 14.44%, and the third one is Madhya Pradesh. Now according to this index, three top wool producing states, the Rajasthan, then Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat. Now here you see, if you didn't know this index, many students or aspirants take Jammu and Kashmir, and now you can see the percentage. Rajasthan is around 47.98%, that is a very very huge amount of production of wool. And Jammu and Kashmir 22.55%.